Now, I would like to invite Madina Irfan Sikandar, Director, ISMA Entertainment. A huge round of applause, please. A little more energetic. You have a beautiful audience here, beautiful gathering here. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. You look very beautiful. A huge round of applause. I would also like to invite our editor, Z Media Group editor, Taik Paridi Sahab on stage, please, to join this felicitation ceremony. Okay, now I would like to invite Mr. Hanif Sheikh, Chairman, Dubai Golden Group, on stage, please. Let's welcome him. Thank you, sir, for your presence. Let's motivate Hanif Sheikh Sahab. Your presence make this moment memorable and very beautiful. Thank you. Now I would like to invite on stage Ms. Meena Asrani, CEO and founder of Being Muskan Events, UAE, USA and India. A huge round of applause, please. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to invite Khalna Dastogi, CEO, Golden Gate Holiday Homes. A huge round of applause. Thank you, sir, for being here. Pictures for them, ladies. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to invite Rahul N. Khanna, I Love Mumbai Foundation Sustainability Ambassador. Thank you so much for being here. Huge round of applause from the audience. The contribution is immense, so the motivation from the audience must be equal to it. Thank you so much. And these were the guests of honors. Thank you to our special guest for presenting the awards, and we'll have another felicitation ceremony at the end of the event. Thank you so much for your presence on the stage. Thank you so much.